Our mission in Duncanville Independent School District is to engage, equip, and empower all scholars to achieve their unique potential. To do that, we have to ensure that we also equip and empower teachers and staff. Enter PDCE, which stands for Professional Development Credit Equivalency. A part of Duncanville ISD's strategic plan is to increase teacher and leader quality by targeted professional development. PDCE is a way to do just that. By collaborating with various departments across the district to offer virtual and in-person training opportunities, our plan is to give you the tools you need to support our students in a constantly evolving profession. PDCE applies to all campus professional staff. This includes, but isn't limited to, principals, assistant principals, librarians, counselors, teachers, teacher specialists, and diagnosticians. Employees on a 187-day contract are paid in advance to engage in 2 days or 12 credits of professional development. For the 2022-2023 school year, a 187-day employee will work 185 days on campus and will earn 2 days or 12 hours for paid exchange days. As a learning organization, Duncanville ISD has a commitment to continuous learning and professional growth of all staff and has included 2 days of paid professional learning throughout the staff work calendar. Employees have the benefit of choosing learning that pertains to their content, skill level, and interests, as well as the flexibility of selecting the format and time that works best for them. The 12 credit hours are broken down into 2 professional development categories: 6 hours of content specific to the employee's academic assignment, and 6 hours of professional development based on employee preference. Examples of content area training include content conversations, as well as training related to SEL, classroom management, and technology integration. Other examples of professional learning that would count towards PDCE credit are book studies and after-school or Saturday campus facilitated training. Non-examples are meetings geared towards campus operations or district business, or training for state testing such as STAR or TELPAS. Please note, if a campus professional attends district PD outside of contract hours where stipend is earned, PDCE credit will not apply. With prior approval from campus administration, employees may receive PDCE credit for attending out-of-district workshops, conferences, virtual professional learning, and training that occur outside of contract hours. If a campus professional earns 6 hours of PDCE credit, he or she will attend district-level professional development on May 30th, 2023, and may exchange the May 31st contract day. If an employee earns 12 hours of PDCE credit, he or she may exchange May 30th and May 31st contract days. If an employee earns 0 hours of PDCE credit, the employee will attend district-level professional development on May 30th and May 31st, 2023. Please note that PDCE hours must be earned between May 31st, 2022 and April 6th, 2023. Please use this bit.ly to add any questions or concerns you may have to the Padlet regarding PDCE.